I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Surface Pen and Surface device. Charge the pen about 1 hour until the LED indicates readiness. Next, open Settings, go to Devices and enable Bluetooth. This is necessary so the pen can communicate. Once done, press and hold the pen's top button for 7 seconds to enter pairing mode. You'll see a blinking light. Make sure to watch the Surface screen for the pairing prompt, then tap Connect to establish the link. You now configure the pen for how you work. Open Pen Settings to assign the top and eraser buttons to actions like OneNote or right-click. After assigning, test tip pressure and tilt in Windows Ink Workspace or a Note app to confirm responsiveness and stroke weight. If you need a different feel, replace the tip. Use the Removal tool, pull straight, then align and press the new tip in. Make sure to try tilt and pressure again to verify the change. You finish by using the Surface Pen in daily tasks. Write, sketch, and use gestures. If the cursor feels off, calibrate from display settings for accuracy. If responsiveness drops, check battery, replace the IOSL or recharge and make sure Bluetooth is on. When things still fail, reset the connection, unpair the pen, restart your Surface, and pair again. This clears most glitches. One key tip, clean the tip and screen. Debris often causes skips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.